Hi guys, it's me Deja,
Tyler.
and today we're gonna be showing you guys how to make slime.
Yep.
A few minutes ago we made slime, but his
I hate you like that.
it been like that. We
It
tried to make
actually did
slime
not
with
do
nail
my slime.
polish. We tried to make slime with nail polish, and that really did not go out well.
Yeah.
Mine's almost like hard as a rock. Look at mine. We used nail polish, and that did not go out well.
Wait. Come on, to the hallway. You got my light. Come on, to the hallway. Guys, we're gonna quick intermission right now. Come on, hallway. So, guys, go subscribe to this person. She is so good at making slime. What I want y'all people out there to do. Hit that subscribe button on this video. Hit that subscribe, hit that like, and hit that comment. Do it, and then and another video. Give me some names to call y'all people out there. And whoever gets the most gonna be the name of y'all famous, awesome looking, amazing, epic people. I see you out there. Oh, you look good too. You look good wherever you're at. Thank you for watching this. And also,
No, not now. Don't do this.
and thank you for watching this show. While I'm making slime.
Okay.
She's rude. I wasn't ending it.
Oh, is that okay.
I was just thanking them for watching this show. Watching this video.
Okay, gonna keep on adding it as you go on. Okay. It's gonna be looking like this, maybe, if you use blue glue. Blue glitter glue.
But after, it's gonna look so amazing.
Oh, Tyler, can you go in my suitcase and get my all my slimes?
Jada, come with me. Quick intermission. Talk to me.
Okay, so wait a second. Let's start. Oh God. Okay, so you're gonna keep on mixing it as you go on, like that, right? And okay, gonna keep on adding. Thank you. And if you do it right, your slimes can come out like these. My other slimes that I made. Jada, this is cotton candy. It's stretch. And this
Put it
is
in the video.
This is baby blue. He is pretty nice.
Is it pretty pink?
No,
It
it's actually confetti because it has like the little pieces in it.
Yeah,
And here
confetti.
is my best one.
It's called Galaxy. Guys, remember? Guys, this is not Galaxy at all.
I added more blue, too much blue to it, and it actually looked like a galaxy. And this is Galaxy. It's my best one that I made. If you stretch it a little bit and you put it over, it's so cool.
Guys,
And maybe I can
it's
give
not
these out.
Galaxy.
And maybe I can give these out too, if you subscribe.
Yeah, I'm gonna subscribe.
These are really squishy, except baby blue. Baby blue is my best one ever.
It's little. It's
Yeah.
a baby.
It may be little, but but it's strong. Cotton candy is pretty good. It has blue.
And it's mixed
And pink.
color.
You guys put this back. Put it back.
No. Keep it up here now. We're not gonna put it back. We don't die. Guys, actually, it's like a little purplish. I see a little purple in there and blue. So,
I should call it indigo, maybe.
Guys, while we're watching doing that, we're on the music. I'll be right back. We'll put on some music.
No, I could already put the music on, maybe. Oh, God.
So guys, so like,
Okay.
got the video. You have the world famous one. Move over. Jada, what are you doing? Stop. You just play with she's go to the side. Go to the side.
I've been here.
So
Stupid.
she's stupid. So
Okay.
stop. It's in the video. Move over. Move over. Move over. No. Move over. No. Move over. I'm telling you.
They're arguing.
Okay. Right here.
And
she
then,
used to be my
and then
sister
after
now.
you've mixed it all, it should your results should be
Be
this. Ding.
Get up.
Your results
It's gonna
should
be
be
in the
this.
video. You don't do that. It's gonna be in the video. Like this is going out
Like
to the
this.
public.
It's pretty cool how it's
Yeah.
pretty stretchy.
Yeah.
But anybody like the test?
Like this one.
Would anybody like the test? Would anybody like the test?
See, baby.
Tyler, why don't you test?
Yeah, cause I'm gonna. It's
Stretch it
ve-
like that.
It's very soft. It's very soft. It's not that stretchy.
Okay.
It's just soft. I end the video.
I hope you guys enjoyed our video.
Yeah. And we're in the photo. Hope you guys enjoy our awesome video. It's about slime. And make sure to hit that subscribe button, that like, and that comment.
Smash it.
Smash it like you're smashing the like a ugly boy.
A
or
candy
girl.
cane.
Yeah, a candy cane. But
The hammer.
I hate you guys. It's disgusting.
Like that.
But when people that like them,
Like it?
they smash the something. But what you, but when you really want you to smash the like button. And guys, we are out.